this place again. Okay, kasi ngayon lang umaraw ulit. So 1 week siyang nag-uulan. Ngayon kasama na natin ang buong, ay may kulang na isa. Familia. Hi baby! And sister. Where are we going? Do you know where we're going?
A place where water splash on my head.
Place where water splash. So we're going to a spray park.
In about 2 kilometers, turn left
Last
onto
week pa namin
109th
plan.
Street Northwest.
Last week pa plano yan, kaya so nag-uulan. So ngayon lang ulit matuloy. Anong sinasabi ng baby
I'm
bird?
so excited.
You are so excited. Do you wanna get wet?
Yeah. Did you go to it before?
Yeah, we've seen that before, but
When I was 4 or
no, you haven't seen that yet.
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise for you. Ay, so kinikilig.
But you don't have a dress. You don't have a wet suit.
Swimsuit. Do you have a swimsuit? So you can get wet like that?
I thought we can wear a swimsuit.
But you didn't bring your swimsuit.
Why you forgot?
It's not me.
Ate?
Surprise! Okay, so dito na kami bandang downtown again. Mabalik tayo ng legislature area. So dala-dala na natin ang ating bobbing para makapag-enjoy siya. Kami naman manginginain lang dun. At mag-enjoy din ng view. See you there!
Yung mga kaibigan ko binabike yun.
Gusto mo na mag-bike? Dalawa kayo ni daddy ulit.
Ikatakot kasi dito daw.
Pababa.
Hindi. Papanik.
Mommy?
Yeah?
I wanna ride a scooter.
Wow!
Oh.
Meron ka.
Tamad.
Shirtless pa siya.
In 1 kilometer, turn left onto 96th Avenue Northwest.
So we're here again, guys. Oh,
Wow.
what is that?
traffic. I love traffic.
Oh no.
Why?
Ayun ang Virgin Forest
Ay,
girl.
nag-scooter kami dyan.
Oo.
May trail dyan.
Mayroon anak. Diyan pa ipababa dyan yung ano na eh. Pababa dun sa may... Ang daming kwan dyan, park.
Mama,
Mm.
I love traffic.
Why?
Because it takes long and I will be dizzy.
No, you
It's take
won't.
too long.
Ayun no, dami dun.
Traffic
No.
is not good when you are
Picnic.
traveling, baby.
Tapos here we are again.
Here again.
Yeah. We're here
At the
again.
place we will
Ang ganda oh.
splash on me.
You won't get cold.
Is it with the water?
That's why it's called water splash.
No, we went here before.
We went here before?
Yes,
Do you remember?
Kasama pa siya no?
No.
again.
Yeah,
Ay
here,
oo, kasama
in the
siya
bridge.
dito. Oh. Yeah, we went here.
In, ano pangalan
Only
niya?
ate is absent because
Ano pangalan ng bridge? Si
Walterdale.
Walterdale.
Again?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
No, it's a different place.
Tingnan mo.
It's all connected together because
The water.
we are here in downtown.
I want a place with water.
Yeah, you have to wait.
I'll give you one.
No, that's not what I want.
Turn left onto 96th Avenue Northwest. Then turn right onto
I will
107th
bring
Street
you to the
Northwest.
bathtub and splash you there.
No, I don't want
Okay.
that.
That's just kidding eh.
Hindi naman seryoso sa...
Mm-mm. Nice place.
Oh, may ito.
That's my school there. It's so far. Oh my God, we're going up. Free.
Go past the stop sign. Then at the next one, turn right onto 107th Street Northwest.
Okay, we're here. Still played on roadway. So, nagdala ka ng ano, babe?
No.
Wagon.
Hmm?
Wagon.
No.
Pagbitbitan
Turn
mo.
right, then take the first left onto Alberta Legislature Building Road.
May stand tayo dyan na malaki. Pwede tayo mag-picture muna. Kaysa bitbitin ko na naman lahat, oh. Saan? Dito na naman kami.
Mama, will I bring my baby or no?
Yeah, you can.
No, it's
Ano na, because she will get wet.
Soggy.
Soggy.
Like umber.
Oh.
Splashes everywhere and so soggy.
Oh my God.
ano yun? Rain up. Ano?
Oo. Ayun, may crab apple.
Turn left onto Alberta Legislature Building Road, then turn right.
So cute na. We're here, guys. So, we'll take a picture. Ay. Ayan. There, si Daddy nagpicture.
Does it look like a place?
In 500 meters, turn right onto 100th Avenue Northwest.
Just wait and see. You don't trust us, do you?
That's a long building. But I still.
Just wait and see. Okay,
I think
back
it's about
here.
to blow. Hey, dog!
At the stop sign, turn right onto 107th Street Northwest.
Papark muna kami, guys. And so, guys, dito na kami sa legislature area. Legislature Park. Parang may event or graduation na gaganapin somewhere there or just picture taking lang. Ayan. So, dito na tayo para graduation. Ano nga lang yan, babe? Mga picture.
Daan papunta nga.
Oo nga, tara. Ay, malamig.
Ang init-init.
Ayan guys, oh. Dito tayo sa downtown. Binalikan ko lang yung jacket ko at ganda, oh. Ang press ko. Excited na si girl. Ay, sus. Tara. Picture ka na, Brie. Wait lang.
Naalala nila niya na naman yung pagkain ng mahin.
Oo. Wait lang. Oh. It's Daddy. Ganda dito, guys. Ba?
Can I touch
Yeah, you can. Can you touch it?
Can you pull up your pants?
Pull up your pants. Give me your hat. You don't like it now? Si ate ayaw mag-picture.
Daddy, I can touch
So guys, ayan, nag-picture-picture muna kami dito ng mga
Look at the flower.
guys. And look at this.
I can also touch it.
Okay, Baby Brie will show you what are those? Flowers.
They're so soft.
Look at here. What else? Wow. Those are beautiful flowers. Okay. Show them that one also. Oh, you show them.
Look at
Hold it.
this
Yeah,
one.
you talk there. You talk to them.
Look at this.
Your camera is facing you now.
Look at this. Flowers.
Don't step there inside.
But I
The camera, you're not showing. This,
And we can feel them. They're so soft. Mommy, you can feel them.
can I touch? Wow.
I want to hold it now.
Go. So, akit naman kami. Crab apples.
Balik tayo dito pag may bulaklak siya, baby.
Oo. Can you sit down in the middle? Let's picture the baby tree.
I will press the button.
Ah. Okay, smile. Another pause. Your feet up like this. Yeah.
Can I picture?
Okay, 1, 2. Another style. Yan. And then lay down like this. Lay down. Lay down, go. Your feet up.
Oh, yes.
Like that. Yan. Okay. 1, 2. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Next.
See.
So we are here again, back at the legislature building. Look at this. Don't touch baby, they will.
Oh, dyan, after party yan.
Pwede ba silang pumasok sa loob? Siguro may ano sila ticket.
Mahal yung
So ito may after party mga graduate dyan. Kaya pala ang daming naka-gown. Doon na tayo sa gilid na lang. Ang ganda oh. Oh, dito sila. Mag-ready ka na anak ng gagamitin. So, andito na kami sa... oo. Sige, good na natin yun. So, andito na kami sa spray park. Ayan. Are you excited, baby Bree? Huh? Let's take a picture muna here. Ayan. Doon na kami. Pipicture.
Naked.
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 Go. Baby Bree will ano. Why can you ano fix your panty where it's like that? No, I cannot go with you. I cannot get wet. Just go there. Wait for it to go ano spray. Go walk. Don't run, just walk. Go, it's going up. Come on. Go. 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 Ano naman yung ate namin oh, sa may bench. Go. There oh. The bigger one, the taller one. Why? Here, go. Remove your slippers daw. If you will get your towel, let's go na.
Okay, you can touch the water, ano, you can touch it, the water. Ano mo? Kamaya kalagay.
Yeah, walk there, enter there. Yeah, go. Walk. Go. Later when it's going up. Look, oh, yung steam, oh. Is it hot? Can you feel the steam? Is it hot? No, it's not. Wait for it. See? Going up again. Go! You walk under. Come on. Nice. Go back. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Go here again, Bree. It's okay. Ah. You're cold now? You don't want any more? Don't run. Dirty yung towel. Dirty the towel. Ah, yung ano pala. Wait, I will get your rope. Yan, dito ka. It's so hot. So you... Here ka lang under the sun. Miniginaw daw si Kulasa. Nakaka-enjoy dito, guys. Nandun naman yung malaking spray pot. Ay, yung fountain lang siya. Okay, go again. Mag-start na naman yung spray. Nagdala akong swimsuit niya, ayaw niya namang isuot. Ito lang ngayon, no? Hindi isa niya, solo niya yung spray part. Solo niya. Hindi, baka papasok ka dyan. Oh, pagputan mo nga muna kasi naiibin ako. Solo ni Bree. La! You like it? I told you to wear your swimsuit eh. So the kids will go swimming too. No, don't wear it now. It's okay. Enjoy it. I don't know. Did it fell? It's okay. The pink one? The black one? It's okay, baby. Stop ulit siya. Tingin daw muna siyang pizza. Nag-break time pa si madam. Sarap lang ng may ganito, oh. Na-enjoy natin yan pagka summer. Balik na naman siya. Give me your rope. Okay. Lamig. Lakad tayo, guys. Sarado na yung washroom dyan sa loob ng building. So, tingnan natin kung may daan dito ba. Saan ang ihian? Yun lang, walang ihian dito. May dalawang dove. huwag kayong lilipad. Dadaan lang ako. Ang daming benches na pwedeng pag anuhan oh. Ang ganda ng lugar. So parang wala naman ihian dito mga beshi ko. Ay, dyan sa station. May train station dyan. Baka dyan yung... So, yun ang problema dito. Wala silang ihian. Mga portalet ng ano naman to. Ng mga construction workers. What is this? Pedestrian. Ito pedestrian din. Walang portalet. Ito yung Alberta Legislature area. Ang ganda dito, guys. Ito na highway na yan. Tapos dyan lang yung ano, park and legislature area. So, walang washroom. Yun lang ang pangit. Sarado na kasi mag-8 na eh. 8 na yata or 7. Si Bri nag-enjoy pa sa water park. Ayan. At hindi pa yung sikat ng araw. Ayan, bababa na tayo. Enjoy ang ating baby. Ayaw pa umuwi. Nice shot. Ganda. Masaya. Sarap dito eh. You like it? Wow! You're not cold? So that means it's done. Let's go. You pee? Are you peeing? It's like a pee. It's like a pee of a boy. Kami lang kasing go there. Go to the water so you won't get cold. So guys, pauwi na kami. Ayaw pang umuwi nitong si Madam. Kaya lang gabi na. Lamig-lamig na niya kanina.
Ano yung sabi niya? Washroom?
Sarap.
Oras niya,
O,
8 to 5
edi
lang.
dun din yung ano, station.
8 to 5.
Oh. So, wala nang, ano, talaga naman. Yan, pauwi na guys. Yeah, next time again. Diba? So nice. Ayun yung mga lavender, babe, oh. Yan, oh. Yan, daming lavender. These are the lavenders. What are those, baby Bree? Those are lavenders.
Mama, bee!
Let's go. You go for daddy. Hey! Go back pa daw siya, daddy. Go back pa daw siya. Hey! Come on. Sige, sige. Nobody's there. No kids na. Okay, just wipe it on your robe. It's okay. You're sick. Tiningot mo lang yung mga tubig. Uwi na kami, guys. Thank you for watching. Play first pa daw siya. See you again in our next vlog. Say bye. No.
I didn't even
Say
see
bye.
the other one. Bye. I didn't see the other ones.
Dish. And different faces. So we're going home and we will try to find a washroom. Come on, Bree. We will try to go there.